In front of me is Honor for Android, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select Remove. Then confirm your choice in this pop-up by tapping Remove again. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wish to restore it, you can always do that by pinching your device's display, tapping on cards at the bottom left corner, and looking for Google app. When you find it, click on it under Classic Widgets. Over here. Now you need to swipe to the left, find Google search bar, hold it, and drag it to the proper place. When you're ready, just let go. Then tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!